shit. Yeah, man, you know, shit. Every time it rains, that's when the fish come up anyway. Yeah, how many days it rain? And then that's all you gotta do is chill them and freeze them, and then cook what you want. And shit, me and my uncle used to go down to Tuesday, catch them little sunfish and them motherfucking green bass.
Your drunk ass gonna fall in the water, man. What the fuck you talking about?
Huh?
At the hospital, seeing Miss Vicky. Yeah.
She all right now. We on full recovery, man. You already know she ain't gonna have everybody in the house. Justin gonna be going over on her house, cause she ain't gonna wanna hear Justin crying or nothing.
He got him, I told you. He got that bitch.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told you.
That bitch picked up on that bitch.
We got that bitch. I knew it.
Cat?
Yeah, the cat got that bitch.